Hey there, have you heard about eXp Realty 2.0? It's not just an evolution in real estate, it's a revolution. This next phase takes everything that's already great about eXp and makes it even better, empowering agents like you to succeed at an entirely new level. With eXp 2.0, you'll have access to enhanced technology, including the latest updates to the kvCORE CRM. Imagine a tool that simplifies lead generation, automating follow-ups, and helping you to close deals even faster, all at your fingertips. Plus, our upgraded transaction management systems make it easier than ever to stay organized and efficient. Collaboration is still at the heart of eXp Realty 2.0. Platforms like eXp World and Workplace by Meta have been enhanced to provide even more ways to connect with agents, staff, and leaders from around the globe. Whether you're looking for support, advice, inspiration, the eXp community is there for you. Now let's talk about revenue opportunities. eXp 2.0 continues to lead with unmatched equity programs and revenue share enhancements, giving you tools to build long-term wealth while doing what you love. And with our global reach expansion, you now have ability to grow your business and client base worldwide. Agent development is also top priority. eXp 2.0 offers even more live training sessions, access to top producing agents, and resources to keep you ahead of the latest industry trends. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, there's always room to grow with eXp. This isn't just about selling homes, it's about building a future-proof business. With the innovative marketing strategies taught by Krista Mayshore and the expanded resources of eXp Realty 2.0, you'll have everything you need to dominate your market and achieve your goals. But if you're ready to join the future of real estate and take your career to the next level, let's connect. I'd love to know how eXp Realty 2.0 can help you thrive. Reach out today. Your future starts here.